Hey, what's up, Colton? Corey here. I'm just going to shoot over your three free tips for your website so that way you can actually draw more traffic and bring more quality traffic to your website. Anyway, I'm just going to go over through your three quick tips here. I'm going to go over content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up here. You got a small little call to action here. You got cooling, heating, and the quality air, kind of some things that you do. All right. So the first thing I actually want to throw out, I would blow up this scheduled service, make that really nice and big. Do money off, percentage off. I like to do free service. It helps them narrow in on where to go. I love your. It's really not that bad. You got your call out there, then your service is there. But anyway, first thing I do want to touch on is content. Google loves authoric content, and really they want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Just being really detailed in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way we can actually layer keywords. Keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website's actually being found. Now, if I just take go inside of Google and go in and put in HVAC Salt Lake City, this is what you're gonna see. You got these ads here at the top, which a lot of people have been going away with these old school traditional ads because of all those spammy phone calls. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of that spammy phone calls, which is just another form of paid advertisements, really. So underneath all these ads, we have this is the map location. To get the rankings in this area is really going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. Whether it's the BBB, Yelp, City Star, the local best, you got Facebook, LinkedIn. There's thousands of them out there. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations. Obviously, we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this little map section is going to deal with all the organic rankings. Here is going to be dealing with a lot of that authoritative content on our website. All that information that we're giving the general public, it matters. And also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. And not all backlinks are actually created equal. A lot of backlinks, create trust, within the same industry or whatnot. I mean, it's just like it's irrelevant if you do work for like a pizza company, and they send you a link, that really doesn't do any justice versus another contractor in your same niche, pushing you a link back and saying, hey, this is a credible company. It really comes down to a trust factor at that point. But anyway, if I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. Looks like you got your site started back in 2014 and just had your journey with your backlinking from there. Looks like you have 48 referring domains and it's pushing back 353 backlinks. Historically, you had just a little over 1,000 backlinks. You got 281 keywords that you're being ranked for, and in total, you're getting about 118 clicks to your website every month. Now, that's not including your paid advertisement. It looks like you are running ads. This PPC right underneath here stands for pay per click. So it looks like you are running ads. If you're running TV ads, web ads, radio, things like that, those can be very costly as well. But this is all dealing with the organic traffic. And if we go see what happens with these 118 clicks, it can be found coincide those keywords. This is where those 118 clicks are coming from. We got Thompson. You got your name here. Furnace Repair, Sandy, Utah. Your fourth position. You're getting a little bit of clicks out of those. That one keyword. Furnace Repair, Utah. 80 clicks a month. Your 13th position. You're missing the traffic because you're not on that first page. Heating Repair, Salt Lake City. 30 clicks. 11th position. Again, missing all the traffic. Furnace, Salt Lake City, 10 clicks, missing all the traffic. Um, Heating and air conditioning, Salt Lake City, another 50 clicks every month. You're missing the traffic because you're 21st position. So you got these keywords that you're ranking for. HVAC Sandy, Utah, another 40 clicks. There's a lot of action that's happening, but you're missing it because you're landing on the second, third page of Google. And having those high authority backlinks and have enough content in there so you can actually rank for those keywords is really crucial in driving that quality traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Lee's Heating and Air Conditioning. Just put them inside of Ahrefs real quick. I'm going to do a quick overview. They have 176 referring domains, just under 20,000 backlinks, 925 keywords, which is pushing back 469 clicks to their site every month. Seeing where those sites, where those leaks are actually coming from. HVAC Salt Lake City, Utah, 60 clicks every month. Air conditioning Salt Lake City, another 60 clicks. They're first, second position, third position on a lot of these. So the quality of leads that they're getting is just really it's high because they have those authoric backlinks. They're ranking for those keywords. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, feel free to give me a call back. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Have a good day.